Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at page 243 and 244 in your Georgia Ready books. And our lesson today is about using measurement tools. So in the example, they show us some different measurement tools. There's a scale. This is the kind of scale that you would stand on. Here's a ruler. Um, there's a clock and a measuring cup. And then over here we have this fish tank. And it says, using the measuring cup, fill the 1 liter measuring cup with water and pour it into the fish tank. Count how many times you pour a full liter into the tank. Then you know how much water the fish tank can hold. So we're going to look at what we use, what different tools we use. So question 1 says, which tool can you use to find out how long the fish tank is? So when we talk about how long something is, we're talking about like the length, so how long it is, like from here to here. And what would you use to measure that? Well, you would use, dun, 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 a ruler. And to find out how tall the fish tank is, and how tall would be like going this way, you would also use a ruler. And then if we wanted to find out how heavy the fish tank was, like how much weight it is, you would use the scale. Okay? Um, we would use the clock to measure time, and we would use the measuring cup to measure how much something would hold. All right? Looking at question number 4, Chang emptied 1 full water bottle. Here's her water bottle into a small bowl. Here's her bowl. The picture shows the result. Which can hold more water, the bottle or the bowl? Explain your answer. Well, we need to think about the fact that the bottle was full. And then let's look at our picture. Is the bowl full? No, it's not. So since the bowl is not full, the bowl can hold more water. It has all the water that was in the bottle, and it has room for more water. So it can hold as much water as the bottle and even more. Okay. Question number 5. Do you think Chang could pour 2 full bottles of water into the bowl? Explain your answer. Well, to fill 2 whole bottles, that would mean that I still have half of my space available. And I don't think she could fit a whole nother one because this is more than halfway filled up. So for our explanation, we would say, no, I don't think he could pour 2 full bottles of water into the bowl. The bowl can hold more than 1 bottle, but it looks like it is more than half full. So another bottle of water would be too much. All right, question 6. Leo has a different size bottle of water. He empties his bottle into a small bowl just like Chang's. Will the bowl be full? Explain your answer. Well, he empties his bottle into a small bowl, but his thing is different. So how do we know? Well, we won't know. We won't know if the bowl is full because if we don't know how big his bottle is. If it's bigger than Chang's, it might fill the bowl all the way. If it's smaller, then the bowl won't be full. There's no way to know. So that was kind of a trick question for you. All right, we got one more. And we're going to lift this up. And it says, Petra has some bottles of water exactly the same size as Chang's bottle. Okay, remember Chang was up at the top. She empties 3 bottles of water into a different size bowl. Do you think Chang's bowl or Petra's bowl is bigger? Explain your thinking. So, exactly the same size as Chang, she puts 3 bottles into a different bowl. So is that bowl going to be bigger or smaller? Well, let's think about up here. We said we couldn't fit two water bottles in here. So if you had a bowl that could fit 3, is that bowl going to be bigger or smaller? Well, if I can get this to go up, there we go. Petra's bowl has to be bigger because if it can hold 3 full bottles of water, Chang's bowl can't even hold 2. So it's going to have to be a bigger one. All right, guys, so that's it for tonight. I like that was a nice quick lesson, and I hope you are enjoying your time at home and keeping busy and still learning lots. Love you later.